This video will cover how we replaced the engine battery on a 2019 Toyota Camry 2.5. As you open the hood, look to the right and close to the firewall, you can't miss this battery. All we had with us was a 3/8 ratchet set to take it off, but we made do with it. It's a tight area to get to the 12mm fastener bolt and bracket that holds down the battery on its tray. So we unclipped this air filter cover to gain some extra room. No need to completely remove it, but just so it slides out of the way some. Using an extension with the 12mm socket is a must. Once the bolt is removed, remove the fastener bracket. Now using a 10mm socket, loosen both terminals. And remove the negative first, then the positive. This will avoid sparks that can ignite the acid fumes from the battery. By the way, it's recommended to use gloves and eye protection when handling batteries. The date on this factory battery is 11/2019, so it lasted 4 years, quite unusual these days. I doubt this new one will last that long, but we'll see. Face the terminals of the new battery the same way as the old one. Apply the positive cable to the positive terminal first and then the negative. This will avoid sparks. With the 10mm socket, tighten both terminals. I usually spray some anti-corrosive on each terminal, but we'll apply it at a later time. Place the red cover on the positive terminal and now reinstall the fastener bracket. Thread in the bolt and carefully not to cross-thread it. After tightening, clip back the air filter cover. Get all the tools out of the engine compartment and start it up. If you have a multimeter, double check the alternator output. It's commonly understood that the alternator should operate between 13.7 and 14.5 volts to charge the battery effectively, depending on how many accessories you have on at the time. If below that, have a professional double check it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.